I'm in this shit for the profit. I'm just trying to make moves that I had niggas astonished. I just gotta be honest, I want it all, I promise. I'm confident, I win to the devil, I'm the hottest. We young and black, we got the city on our back. For a fact, trying to shine, kick out the niggas off the map. I'm getting it out the soil, I ain't never had the move crack, but I'm still touching money and watching this shit stack. Real niggas moving silent, just stay on the right track. TNO, we got the talent, we're big in our city back.
What's good, y'all? It's your boy Benny G Buckets
and George, aka Sticks.
and we're back to business as usual.
Today, guys, what we're going to be doing is a pretty dope custom on a pair of all-white Huaraches.
It's basically going to be a rainbow theme, kind of complicated, but not too complicated.
So that's enough talking from us. Let's go ahead and get into the first step of this video. Let's get it.
And we gon' shut it down, and they gon' hate us now, and we gon' rock the town. They wanna fuck with us now. Little baby said she a blood, whoa, whoa, whoa. She show me all kind of love, whoa, whoa, whoa. She bout it, ooh, she a thug, whoa, 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 whoa. Sarah, and that's my little boo boo. Oh, big B's when she bail like whoa, whoa. Ripped jeans, no toot. Throwing up the beat and she still cute. Gang, 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 gang. Throw her the rats, she get it brag. Yeah, that bitch go ham sandwich. She tripped on all the little bitches that I hang with. For her, it's a whole lot of gang shit.
I know, baby, she gon' ride for me. And when it's drama time, she gon' slide with me. She see the real in the nigga, not the money on me. She held it down for a nigga when the road was bumpy. Little baby, my little baby, keep it 100 with me. And if you talk, she run it back, ain't hiding nothing from me. She gon' move when I move, moving the line, man. Baby, my little baby, and baby, that's to the time. That's my shawty.
And we gon' shut it down, and they gon' hate us now, and we gon' rock the town. They wanna fuck with us now. Little baby said she a blood, whoa, whoa, whoa. She show me all kind of love, whoa, whoa, whoa. She bout it, ooh, she a thug, whoa, 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 whoa.
She gon' ride for a nigga, baby, solid as that comes. She gon' keep that shit 100, little baby from the slum. She fucking with a winner, she ain't fucking with a bum. Have her bustin' like a 40 every time that pussy come. I got her doing shit that she ain't never ever did. Baby, slide with a nigga, take a trip with the kid. If you gon' hold me down, if they throw a nigga 10, you my down bitch, baby, and my #1 fan. We gon' shut it down. The echo go crazy round for round. When I beat it up, please make no sense.
Alright, guys, so first step to this custom, as always, is preparation. As you guys can see, the shoes are all taped up, and the reason for that is because what is covered is not going to be painted, it is going to remain white. The mesh parts of the shoe, which is pretty much everything, is indeed going to be painted. And what we're going to do today is a rainbow colorway using 6 primary colors, including yellow, orange, red, green, blue, and purple. We're going to be incorporating some GAC 900 in order to keep the mesh material soft. We're going to be applying these paints using an airbrush, and as always, we need something to mix the paints with, so we have these 6 containers here. But as you guys can tell, they're very beat and have a lot of paint residue on them. So before we go ahead and get into painting, I'm going to show you guys a quick tip on how to get rid of this paint, this old paint, and make the containers look brand new again. Let's go ahead and do that first. Alright guys, so as you can see, I have this old container of paint with light blue paint, and if I'm being honest, I don't even remember the last time we did a custom with light blue paint, so this is really, really old. And as you can see, I'm scraping it off to try to get all the paint off, and it's just coming off in little itty bitty parts, and if I tried to remove the paint like that, it would take me forever. So I came up with a pretty good way to go ahead and get around this and clean up your containers real fast. So right here I have some acetone. All I'm going to do is I'm going to pour just a little bit in. You don't want to pour too much and waste too much of it. You're going to pour a little bit in, and then you're going to go ahead and grab yourself a cotton ball and pretty much just wipe it off. Now literally all I did was went around a few times, and look at that, it's clearing up real fast. Again, this is really old, and I don't even remember the last time I did a custom with light blue paint, but look at that, it's coming off like nothing. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to do that to the entire container, as well as these 5, and then we can go ahead and get started painting the rest of the shoe. Let's go ahead and do that.
She run it back, ain't hiding nothing from me. She gon' move when I move, moving the line, man. Baby, my little baby, and baby, that's to the time. That's my shawty.
And we gon' shut it down, and they gon' hate us now, and we gon' rock the town. They wanna fuck with us now. Little baby said she a blood, whoa, whoa, whoa. She showed me all kind.
Alright guys, so here's that container I was working on. Just wanted to check in so you could see it. It's freaking clean as hell. My hands are a little bit blue, but it was really easy to take all the old paint off, and now I can go ahead and use this for my new mixtures. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the same thing to these 5, but I'm going to do that off camera so I don't bore you guys anymore. That way we can go ahead and get into the next part, which is painting. Alright, let's do that real quick. Alright guys, I do want to apologize, I did lie. Before we can paint the shoes, what we have to do is we have to have something to paint them with. So we're going to mix our yellow and our GAC 900 on a 1-to-1 ratio. We're going to mix up not too much, just enough so we can paint the front toe box of one shoe. So that'll be very little mixture. We're going to go ahead and do that, and then once we have all our paint mixtures, we can go ahead and get started painting. So let's do that.
I was taught to never fold, never change, never switch on my people. If we eatin', then we all eat equal. I speak health, wealth, power, and freedom on my people. Any evil, deceitful ideas won't conquer my people.
Alright guys, so this is the shoe now. What we're going to go ahead and do is when we get started painting, we're going to break it up into 3 sections. Yellow, orange, red. And on the other shoe, we will do green, blue, purple. So let's go ahead and get into painting these, and let's see how these turn out.
They get away like it's legal. So many times, it's way back, it's a sequel. It's pure facts, most crack is deceitful. We need unity in this world like crackheads need they needle. It's enough heart to spread around to the needful. Yeah, came from the slum, so it's love for my people. But all this black on black crime, I'm like what's wrong with my people. I'm too solid to ever switch, don't compare me to Rico. Trust nobody outside the clique when all my trust in his ego, And I ain't never told my nigga. Lips sealed so my info can't be sold, my nigga. Apply the pressure, I won't fold on my illa. Rather do 100 years and I hold my nigga.
I was never fold, never change, never switch on my people. If we eatin', then we all eat equal. I speak health, wealth, power, and freedom on my people. Any evil, deceitful ideas won't conquer my people.
I will never fold on my people. You will get exposed over my people. This bogey 40 blow for my people, for my people, for my people. Some niggas folded on me, but I never fold. Fuck niggas, boy, I don't fuck with those. Katie been grinding, nigga. You know I'm on my toes. I do this for my mama, I put that on my soul. Your baby boy done did it now. Yeah, he killing now. Yeah, they fuck with me now. Yeah, ooh, Katie, I'm that nigga now. But niggas want me down, come flicking knock down. Yeah, I just wanna put my fam on, so we ain't gotta stress no more. We ain't gotta stress no more. And when I'm down, just hold me down, Lord. I promise it won't be for long. Promise it won't be for long. Cause I put my all in this shit, so I'm going off of this shit. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm going off of this shit, cause I put my all in this shit.
I was taught to never fold, never change, never switch on my people. If we eatin', then we all eat equal. I speak health, wealth, power, and freedom on my people. Any evil, deceitful ideas won't conquer my people.
I will never fold on my people. You will get exposed over my people.
Flex.
This is J.E. Banks Music.
We pull up, flex, hop out, finesse. Pull up, flex, hop out, finesse. We pull up, we hop out, we flex. We pull up, we hop out, finesse. Pull up, we hop out, we flex. We pull up, we hop out, finesse. Young Echo, I pull up, I flex. Designer, everything, I fresh. Young Echo, I pull up finesse. Been grinding, don't got time for rest. It's all gon' work out for the best. Haters gon' hate, I'm like, I'll be my guest. I'm still gon' go off like the tech. And I call the shots like the ref call the tech, like the ref call the tech. So when I pull up on her, all these bitches on my nerves. Say you love me.
Alright, then, y'all, that's the end of this video.
If you guys like that video, please make sure to leave a thumbs up and let us know how we did in the comment section. And as always, guys, our contact information is down low in the description. If you ever want to contact us to get some work done, go ahead and check that out.
And never forget to visit SPR15.com.
And before we go, guys, we want to leave you with this.
Your dreams are worth more than your sleep. So from your boys at Sneak Peek, Benny G Buckets,
And George, aka Sticks.
it's only one way.
Let's get it.
Katie, I'm that nigga now, but niggas want me down, come flicking knock down. Yeah, I just wanna put my fam on, so we ain't gotta stress no more. We ain't gotta stress no more.
What's good, Joe? It's your boy Benny G Buckets. What are you doing?
I'm just trying to get the camera to know what I'm saying? Alright, let's go ahead. Let's get it.
We're back to business
Start
as
it over,
usual.
bro. Don't let your voice fluctuate. Alright, keep it at one high tone so they can hear you throughout the video.
What's good, everybody? Is that good for you?
Jesus Christ.
Come on, man, sit down.
Are you?
I'm waiting on you.
Alright, well, don't be.
People, this bogey 40 blow for my people, for my people, for my people.
Yeah. I said my people need change. I put my faith in my hustle instead of minimum wage. I put my heart into this shit. If I don't hustle, I don't eat. So I grind until I'm dead and get my rest when I'm deceased.